Altair's vision is to radically change the way organizations design products and make decisions. Our focus is on simulation, predictive analytics, and optimization, all leveraging high-performance computing. Altair's Hyperworks software simulation suite consists of many different products, including many solvers. One of the solvers in the suite is RADIOSS, which is a structural analysis solver for nonlinear problems under dynamic loading. It is widely used across many industries for improving safety, crashworthiness, and manufacturability of structural designs. Altair's developers work closely with Intel to ensure that our solvers are optimized to take full advantage of the latest Intel Xeon scalable processors. When we tested RADIOSS on the latest Intel scalable processors, we noticed a few things. First, the time required to simulate industrial car crash simulation decreased by a factor of 1.5. That is an amazing improvement. Since RADIOSS is a memory-bound application, the improvement is directly correlated to the increase in the number of memory bandwidth channels. The second thing we observed is that using the hybrid MPI OpenMP version together with hyperthreading enabled another 10% performance increase. Finally, using the AVX 512 instruction set allowed us to improve RADIOSS performance while keeping the same power envelope. In addition to access to Intel experts and to a great tool set, Intel also provides us software development platforms. This allows our engineers to get early access to Intel processors for development and testing purposes. Our ongoing collaboration with Intel allows our customers to pursue new challenges that they were previously unable to address due to computational resources. Our customers can now run multiple scenarios using stochastic models and analyze more complex simulation models. An interesting example of the use of Altair software can be seen at the America's Cup yacht race. If you want to learn more about how Team Artemis leveraged several Altair's technology in the design of their yacht, go to altair.com.